Professor Sani Dr. Bila State was born on 9 February 1950. Federal Commissioners designate step for
to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of I, Professor Sani Adam, do solemnly swear that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Nigeria. So help me God.
Congratulations.
So now that you have the near full complement of your team, what can you assure Nigerians going forward?
Well, we want to assure Nigerians that we'll continue to do our best conscientiously, and to continue to improve the transparency and credibility of elections in Nigeria. The new commissioners that have just been sworn in are bringing with them accumulated intellectual and administrative experience, and I'm confident that they will add value to our work.
So how do you feel about disappointment, and what will you assure Nigerians?
Alhamdulillah, we thank God for this opportunity to serve our people. And we want to assure Nigerians that we will be very honest and sincere in our activities to ensure that all elections we will conduct will be fair, free, and credible, because that is what the nation looks up from us. Thank you very much.
Yes, we are very grateful to God, and it's a privilege to be chosen among millions. We intend to work diligently to ensure that free and fair elections are realizable in Nigeria, to fulfill the objective of the president to deliver free and fair elections. And we are here to assist the chairman to achieve these laudable objectives, to add value to the wonderful job that he has been doing, and we hope to maintain that course by the grace of God. Yeah, thank you.
Great. Alhamdulillah. Thank God. God has brought us this far. And I believe we'll take the electoral system to greater heights by the grace of God. We'll support the chairman so that we deliver to Nigerians an excellent electoral results. Thank you.